Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Troubleshooting closing one app and shutting down errors in Windows 11, a comprehensive guide. Encountering the closing one app and shutting down screen for an extended period during shutdown in Windows 11 can be frustrating. It suggests that an application is preventing Windows from gracefully shutting down. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide to diagnosing and resolving this issue, covering various approaches from basic troubleshooting to advanced debugging. Understanding the problem. The closing one app and shutting down message indicates that at least one application hasn't responded to the shutdown signal sent by the operating system. Windows attempts to close the application gracefully before resorting to a forced shutdown. The delay you experience is the time Windows spends trying to persuade the application to close properly. The application might be stuck in a loop, hung, or experiencing an unhandled exception, preventing it from responding. Initial troubleshooting steps. Before diving into more complex solutions, let's start with simple checks that often resolve the problem. 1. Manually close all applications ***. Check the taskbar **. Ensure that all visible applications are closed. Look for minimized windows. System tray **. Click the up arrow in the system tray, next to the clock, to expand it and close any applications running in the background. Pay attention to applications like Cloud Storage Clients, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive. Antivirus software. Messaging apps, Slack, Discord, Teams. VPN clients. Download managers. Once you've closed everything you can manually, try shutting down again. 2. Wait it out. Sometimes. Sometimes, the application will eventually close, especially if it's performing a lengthy task, like saving a large file. Give it a few minutes. If you're consistently experiencing very long delays, more than 5 minutes, waiting it out is likely not the solution. 3. Check for Windows updates **. Go to Settings - Windows Update. Click Check for updates. Install any pending updates. Updates can fix bugs in the operating system or in drivers that might be contributing to application instability. 4. Restart your computer **. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches and reset application states. While not a fix, it can sometimes resolve the issue temporarily. 5. Run the System File Checker, SFC. SFC scans and repairs corrupted system files that can sometimes cause application instability. Open Command Prompt as administrator, right-click on the Start menu and select Command Prompt, Admin, or Windows Terminal, Admin. Type SFC/scano and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. It may take a while. If SFC finds and repairs errors, restart your computer. 6. Run the Deployment Image Servicing and Management, DISM, tool **. DISM is used to repair the Windows image if SFC fails to fix corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type the following commands, pressing Enter after each one. DISM/online/cleanup image/check health. DISM/online/cleanup image/scan health. DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health. The restore health command may take a considerable amount of time to complete, as it downloads replacement files from Microsoft servers. Restart your computer after DISM finishes. 2. Identifying the offending application. Pinpointing the application that's causing the shutdown delay is crucial for finding a lasting solution. 1. The event viewer asterisk. The event viewer logs system events, including application errors and shutdown sequences. This is a valuable resource for identifying problematic applications. Open event viewer, search for it in the Start menu. Expand Windows logs application. Look for events with error or warning levels that occurred right before or during the shutdown attempt. Pay attention to the source and event ID fields of these errors. The source often indicates the application involved. The event ID can help you research specific error codes. Also, check the system log under Windows logs for hardware-related issues or driver problems that might indirectly contribute to application hangs. 2. The verbose shutdown registry tweak This tweak displays a more detailed shutdown process, showing exactly which services and applications are being closed. Important modifying the registry can be risky. Back up your registry before proceeding. Search for regedit in the Start menu, open Registry Editor, then go to File-Export and save a backup of your registry. Open Registry Editor, search for regedit in the Start menu. Navigate to the following key, /key _local _machine /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /policies /system. Right click in the right pane, select new -D word, 32-bit, value. Name the new value verbose status. Double click verbose status and set its value to 1. Close Registry Editor and restart your computer. Now, when you shut down, you'll see more information on the screen, potentially revealing the application that's taking the longest to close. To disable verbose shutdown after you've identified the culprit, set the verbose status value back to 0 or delete the verbose status entry entirely. 3. Process Monitor, Procman, Advanced Process Monitor, Procman, is a powerful tool from Microsoft, sysinternals suite, that monitors file system activity, registry activity, process activity, and profiling. It requires technical expertise. Download Process Monitor from https://learn.microsoft.com/enus/sysinternals/download/procman, https://learn.microsoft.com/n-us/sysinternals/download/procmon. Run Procman before you initiate a shutdown. Let it run until the closing one app and shutting down screen appears. Stop Procman capturing. Analyze the logs. Filter the Procman log for events with operation, close or query close. Result, timeout or pending or errors related to access denied. Examine the process name and path columns to identify which processes are failing to close gracefully and what resources they're trying to access. This can help you identify the application that's stuck. Procman output can be overwhelming, so focus on events occurring close to the time you initiate the shutdown sequence. 3. Solutions based on the identified application. Once you've identified the application causing the problem, you can take specific steps. 1. Update the application Outdated applications are more likely to have bugs. Check for updates within the application itself or from the application developer's website. 2. Reinstall the application A corrupted installation can cause problems. Uninstall the application completely, using the control panel or settings-apps and features, and then reinstall it. 3. Check for driver issues. if the application interacts with hardware. Asterisk if the problematic application interacts with specific hardware, example a printer driver, graphics card driver, sound card driver, update the corresponding drivers. Go to Device Manager, search for it in the Start menu, locate the device, right-click on it, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Asterisk consider downloading the latest drivers from the hardware manufacturer's website, example NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, Epson, HP. For disable startup applications, selective startup. Asterisk some applications automatically launch when you start Windows. These might be interfering with the shutdown process. Asterisk open system configuration, search for misconfig in the Start menu. Asterisk go to the Services tab. Asterisk check the box Hide all Microsoft services. This is important to avoid disabling critical system services. Asterisk click Disable all. Asterisk go to the Startup tab. Asterisk click Open Task Manager. Asterisk in Task Manager, disable all startup items. Asterisk click Apply and OK in System Configuration. Asterisk restart your computer. Asterisk if the shutdown issue is resolved, it means one of the disabled services or startup applications was the culprit. Asterisk enable the services and startup items one by one, or in small groups, restarting your computer after each re-enablement, to identify the specific service/application causing the problem. Asterisk once you find the culprit, consider uninstalling it or preventing it from starting automatically. 5. Adjust shutdown behavior in the registry, advanced, use with caution. Asterisk important asterisk modifying the registry can be risky. Back up your registry before proceeding. Search for regedit in the Start menu, open Registry Editor, then go to File-Export and save a backup of your registry. Asterisk you can adjust the time Windows waits for applications to close before forcing them to shut down. However, be very careful when modifying these values. Setting them too low can lead to data loss or system instability. Asterisk wait to kill service timeout asterisk this value specifies the time Windows waits for services to stop. Asterisk open Registry Editor, search for regedit in the Start menu. Asterisk navigate to h_local_machine \system\current control set \control. Asterisk look for the value wait to kill service timeout. The default is usually 20,000 milliseconds, or 20 seconds. Asterisk you can try decreasing this value slightly, example to 15,000 or 10,000, but don't set it too low. Asterisk restart your computer. Asterisk hung app timeout asterisk this value specifies the time Windows waits for an application to respond. Asterisk open Registry Editor, search for regedit in the Start menu. Asterisk navigate to h_current_user \control panel \desktop. Asterisk look for the value hung app timeout. The default is usually 5,000 milliseconds, or 5 seconds. Asterisk if it does not exist create it as a string value. Asterisk you can try decreasing this value slightly, example to 4,000 or 3,000, but don't set it too low. Asterisk restart your computer. Asterisk auto end tasks asterisk this value determines whether Windows automatically terminates unresponsive applications during shutdown. By default, Windows is supposed to do this. Asterisk open Registry Editor, search for regedit in the Start menu. Asterisk navigate to h_current_user \control panel \desktop. Asterisk look for the value auto end tasks. If it doesn't exist, create a new string value named auto end tasks. Asterisk set the value to 1. Asterisk restart your computer. 4. Code examples, relevant for developers. If you're a developer, ensure your applications handle shutdown events correctly to prevent them from causing these delays. 1. Handling WM_query session and WM_end session messages, C++. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk WM_query session asterisk. This message is sent to all running applications when the system is about to shut down. The application should return true to allow the shutdown or false to prevent it. Crucially, this is where you should check for unsaved data and prompt the user to save it. If saving fails, return false to block the shutdown only if there's a genuine error preventing saving. Blocking shutdown should be avoided unless absolutely necessary. Asterisk WM_end session asterisk. This message is sent after the system has decided to shut down. Your application should perform any final cleanup tasks here, such as saving any remaining data, closing files, and releasing resources. The WParam parameter indicates whether the system is actually shutting down, true, or if the shutdown was cancelled, false. If WParam is true, it's your last chance to clean up. Asterisk error handling asterisk. Critically, handle potential errors during saving. If saving fails in WM_query session, return false to prevent the shutdown if you cannot save the data. Asterisk asynchronous operations asterisk. Avoid long-running synchronous operations, like large file saves, directly in the message handlers. Consider using threads or asynchronous operations so your application can quickly respond to the shutdown messages without blocking the process. 2. Handling app_domain.process_exit event, C/.net. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk app_domain.process_exit asterisk. This event is raised when the application domain is unloaded, typically when the process is exiting, example during system shutdown. Asterisk application.application exit asterisk. This event is raised when application.exit is called, but not during a system shutdown. It's more for controlled application exits initiated by the user within the app. Asterisk unsaved changes asterisk. The example demonstrates checking for unsaved changes and prompting the user to save them. Asterisk message box asterisk. The example uses message box to prompt the user. For console applications, you need to add a reference to system.windows.forms in your project and include the STA thread attribute on the main method for message box to work correctly in a Windows Forms or WPF application. You don't need the STA thread attribute. Asterisk cancellation limitations. A critical limitation is that, unlike WM_query session in native C++, you cannot directly prevent the process from exiting reliably within the process exit event in a console application. You can log an event, try to save data, but the process will likely be terminated regardless. For Windows Forms applications you can call application.exit, or e.cancel, which gives you the ability to prevent and handle the app exit. 3. Asynchronous saving, C/.net. For both C++ and C, consider using asynchronous saving to avoid blocking the shutdown process. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk async and await asterisk. The async and await keywords allow you to perform asynchronous operations without blocking the main thread. Asterisk task.delay asterisk. This simulates an asynchronous operation, like writing to a file or database. Replace it with your actual asynchronous saving code, example using streamwriter.write async or an asynchronous database operation. Asterisk non-blocking asterisk. The key benefit is that await task.delay, 3000, does not block the on-process exit async event handler. The handler returns immediately, allowing the application to shut down. The saving operation continues in the background. However, there's still a risk that the process might be terminated before the asynchronous saving completes, so it's still best to save data as quickly as possible. via advanced debugging techniques, if other solutions fail. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, you might need to resort to more advanced debugging. 1. Windows Performance Recorder, WPR, and Windows Performance Analyzer, WPA. These tools, part of the Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit, ADK, can capture detailed system performance traces. You can use them to analyze the shutdown process and identify performance bottlenecks or long-running operations that are delaying shutdown. WPR and WPA are powerful but require significant expertise to use effectively. See Microsoft's documentation for detailed instructions. 2. Debugging with Visual Studio *. If you suspect a specific application is causing the problem, you can attach Visual Studio to the running process and use the debugger to step through the code during shutdown. This allows you to identify exactly where the application is getting stuck. Requires Visual Studio and debugging symbols for the application. 6. Considerations for specific applications. Antivirus software. Antivirus programs often perform final scans during shutdown. If you suspect your antivirus is the problem, temporarily disable it, carefully, to see if it resolves the issue. If so, check for updates to your antivirus software or consider switching to a different antivirus solution. Virtual machines, VMware, VirtualBox VMS can sometimes cause shutdown delays if they're not properly shut down before the host operating system. Make sure your VMS are fully shut down before shutting down your host. Cloud storage clients. Cloud storage clients, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, can cause delays if they're actively syncing large files during shutdown. Try pausing syncing before shutting down. 7. Prevention. Keep your system clean. Regularly uninstall unused applications and clean up temporary files. Install software from trusted sources. Avoid installing software from untrusted sources, as it may contain malware or poorly written code that can cause system instability. Monitor system performance. Use Task Manager or Resource Monitor to monitor system performance and identify applications that are consuming excessive resources. 8. Final note. Resolving the closing one app and shutting down error often requires a combination of troubleshooting techniques. Start with the simpler steps and gradually progress to the more advanced methods as needed. Be patient, methodical, and document your steps so you can revert any changes if they don't resolve the problem. Good luck.